Hi everyone! In today's video I'll be unboxing a parcel I received from myteresa.com. So here we go. Managed to open the box. So here we have a beautiful envelope from Myteresa, which has all the necessary papers. We have this lovely brown double-T camera bag by Tots. I think that the size is perfect for every day. Here it has the Myteresa tag, and inside we have tissue paper and a long back strap.
Here's the back strap.
It is adjustable in length. As you can see, it has several holes.
You can adjust the length of the strap according to your desire, to your height. So let me show you the bag. This tissue paper to hold the shape of the bag.
Inside, as you can see, we have the main compartment, this small open pocket and one zipped pocket here. Here you go. Inside the zipped pocket, we have the care instructions. I'm gonna put it back, and at the front of the bag, you have this very large compartment, which is very spacious and very convenient for you to put your phone and a card holder or anything that you need an easy access to. Hello guys, sorry I had to end the video so abruptly, but basically that was it. In case you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and if you've enjoyed watching the video, put your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!